To reset your Oppo Enco Buds to Pro with the help of the Hey Melody app, first we need to open an app on the smartphone device that is currently connected with our earbuds. Now when they are connected, we can click right here, then click on three dots in the top right corner of the screen, select Edit, and then select your headphones and move to Delete. Confirm it, and your earbuds will be removed, and the reset should actually happen on them as well. But if not, you can confirm it by inserting both of the earbuds inside of the case and then hold those circles with your fingers for around 15 seconds. You can keep looking on the LED lamp below, and when it starts blinking red, that means our reset is finished. And here we have it.